This will be part of my Bougie Nails on a Budget series. Hey NailTubers, what is up Nailification Squad? How are you? I hope that you are doing well. I want to express how glad I am to see Texas friends with their power restored, right? Some of them are fellow content creators, so I was extremely happy to see them posting again. Now, though she's not in Texas, please keep my NailTube sister, Omnia's wish in your hearts, as she has been ill and hasn't been posting. Many of us in the nail community are familiar with each other, so let's hope for her to have a speedy recovery. We love you, Omnia. Today's Bougie Nails on a Budget is easy, but also challenging. I wanted to do a set with line work in this series, like similar to the line work on the acrylic Gucci nails. And for some reason, because I knew it would have a geometric flair, this blue was calling out from the nail rack. Pick me, pick you color, pick me. Now, though it's very shimmery, it also kind of gave me like that industrial vibe that I thought would be so fitting to the design. So, the easy part, obviously, was polishing this primary color. And also some split portions with silver that you'll see in a bit. Here's a second coat for the sections of the blue. And then I'll be going in with silver. I just love the contrast between these two colors. Also, that they're both so shimmery and went very well together. Oh, and before it gets to that point, I do have to offer a disclaimer. There are portions of the video when I'm doing the line work that were glitching and blurring. I did see this and tried to edit as much of it out so it wouldn't be so annoying to watch. I was recording with a different phone and wasn't familiar with, like how temperamental the autofocus would be or whatever. So this line work was about me getting more practice. I think the charcoal gray gave this something extra. Now, just so you know, this was sped up because of the line work. It took some time And I also had to keep dabbing polish from the bottle onto the platter to keep it from drying. I felt everything was going pretty decent. That is, until I started in with the white polish. Don't get me wrong, I still think the set came out so nice. It's just that the white polish, actually, it's more of an like off-white. It showed the imperfections in the lines. I was almost panicked, guys. Funny thing is, I wear reading glasses, and after doing this for a while, the lines started to play tricks with my eyes. So while you're watching me practice this line work, I have some questions for you and need to take a poll. Were you guys aware that the new season of Masked Singer will be starting in March? Yeah, it is, guys. Then you already know what I'm going to ask next. Would you guys be interested in me starting a new season of The Masked Finger? If you would, please, by all means, put the words masked finger in the comments. Now, for anyone new and not familiar, Masked Finger is a fun and hilarious nail humor series that is a total spin-off from The Masked Singer. It was pretty well liked, but I ended the series to correspond with the actual TV program. So guys, be sure to leave Masked Finger in the comments because I really need to know, as the time is starting to run close and I need to start working it into my recording schedule, okay? And you know, something I didn't notice until now while editing, the glitching was actually happening on the parts that I didn't like anyway when I was polishing with the white. Isn't that something? I added a generous amount of top coat and it actually muted most of the white, which I was very pleased about. So keeping with the geometric idea, I came across some square stones that were perfect. And I placed only a few just as an accent to the design. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, remember, hit that like button. Also, consider subscribing to my channel. I upload every Tuesday and Thursday and often upload random content on other days. For example, I recently repurposed a beautiful crystal lotus flower into a stunning dampen dish. So if you do choose to subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next upload, and I will see you then. Much love.